Hey guys, Michael here at Rocky Mountain Honda Powerhouse. I'm finally wanting to put something to rest. Since 2014, people have been asking me what is actually going to replace the ST1300, and I have an answer for you. People assumed it was going to be the CTX 1300 since it used the ST's V4 motor, but the CTX is not a sport tourer. It was an awesome cruiser and it was a great touring bike, but still not the sport tourer. Some people even assumed it was going to be the VFR 1200X to fill this void. It has the powerful V4 and adjustable windscreen and the option for removable luggage, but again the VFR was geared more as an adventure tour. So to put this to bed once and for all of what has actually replaced the ST, used STs, like the 2006 ST1300, selling for about $6,500 out the door, and our 1996 ST1100. These are the bikes that are filling the void left by the 2014 ST1300, and I don't think it's ever going to be replaced by anything better. Thanks guys, Mike here, Rocky Mountain Honda Powerhouse. Come by and check them out.